Imagine living life on your terms. No debt, no financial stress, just freedom. No more waking up to the alarm clock, grinding away at a job you might not even like just to make ends meet. That's the power of financial independence. And it's not just some far-off fantasy, it's a goal you can absolutely achieve. In this video, we're diving deep into the practical steps you can take right now to gain control of your finances and start building the life you want. We're talking about building real wealth, ditching the 9-to-5 grind if that's your dream, and designing a life where your time is truly your own. Let's get started. Look, before we jump into the strategies, let's define what financial independence really means. And no, it's not about being a millionaire overnight or driving a fancy sports car, although those things are awesome. It's about having enough money invested that the passive income it generates covers all of your living expenses. Imagine this: waking up every morning without the pressure of going to a job you don't love, just to pay the bills. Instead, you have the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or travel the world. That's the beauty of financial independence. It's about having the freedom to design your ideal life. It's about creating sustainable wealth that works for you, not the other way around. Let's get real about where you stand right now. Don't worry, we've all got to start somewhere. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet. List all your income sources. This includes salary, side hustles, and interest. Next, track all your expenses. Rent, groceries, subscriptions, everything. Add up all your debts. Finally, list your assets. House, car, investments. This gives a clear picture of your financial starting point. I know, budgeting doesn't sound exciting, but it's the foundation of financial freedom. You need a budget. It's a roadmap to your dream life. Track every dollar. Use apps, spreadsheets, or pen and paper. Identify areas to cut back. Do you need that daily latte or subscription box? Every dollar saved is a dollar for your future. Aim to save 20 to 30% of your income. The more you save, the faster you'll reach your goals. Chapter 4. Pay off debt. Let's be real, debt is a major buzzkill on the road to financial independence. Those high-interest credit card payments or student loan bills can feel like a huge weight on your shoulders. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this beast head-on. There are two popular methods people use to pay off debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debts first to gain momentum, while the avalanche method prioritizes high-interest debt to save money on interest payments. Figure out which method works best for you and make a plan to attack that debt strategically. And remember, every payment you make brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Chapter 5. Invest for growth. Saving is crucial, but to really build wealth and achieve financial independence, you need to put your money to work for you. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's not as complicated as you might think. Start by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. They're a great way to diversify your investments and reduce risk. As you learn more, you can explore other investment options like real estate, dividend stocks, or even starting your own side hustle. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and let the power of compound interest work its magic over time. Chapter 6. Build passive income streams. Passive income is the holy grail of financial independence. It's about building income streams that generate money without you needing to trade your time for it. Imagine this: money flowing into your account while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. One popular way to generate passive income is through real estate. You could buy rental properties and earn money from rent payments. Or if you're not ready to be a landlord, you can explore REITs, which are like mutual funds for real estate. Another great option is to create digital products like online courses, ebooks, or even stock photos. These products can generate passive income for years to come with minimal overhead. And if you've got a knack for creating content, starting a YouTube channel or blog can also become a lucrative source of passive income. Outro. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Achieving financial independence takes discipline and time, but the rewards are worth it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your freedom grow. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Stay focused on your goals, keep learning, and never stop growing. Thanks for watching.